Children, today we are going to read a new chapter in English Balbharti of grade 1. That is SOHAM'S ball. So are you all ready to read the chapter along with me? Come on, let's begin. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Sam asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball please? Sure, here it is. After some time again, the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now, Soham asks for the ball. Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mane. Why does Mr. Mane say no? Mr. Mane said no because Soham was very rude. How is Soham feeling? Soham is feeling very sad. How is Mr. Mane feeling? Mr. Mane is feeling very unhappy. Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball please? How does Mr. Mane feel now? Mr. Mane feels happy because Soham asked him very politely. Thank you, said Soham. Now let us see few magic words. Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry. Please. Excuse me. These were some magic words which you have to use in your day-to-day life. Okay, children? I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.